Good morning. I'm Mr. Alvin Smith, your teacher for Food and Beverage Services of TVL Home Economics. I hope the mojo is with you for you to easily understand and follow the lesson. Okay, our first topic is all about taking table reservation. In the food industry, reservation is defined as an arrangement to have something, room, table, or seat, held for your use at a later time. A guaranteed seat brings in more customers and increases revenue. There are two types of reservation. Number one, manual reservation system. It depends on the designated person, usually a host or hostess. This is the one answering the phone, records the details of the said reservation, and taking their credit card information as a guarantee. Number two, online reservation system. Makes use of the internet through a website where all the necessary information needed for a reservation is keyed in by the guest. Because of the growth trends in reserving a seat in a restaurant, they add a call-ahead seating, wherein the guest calls when they are on their way and sets on a specific time they will arrive. Restaurants will often opt to serve guests on first-come, first-served basis. Other restaurants also ask for the credit card information of the guest to ensure their seats. Since this guarantees the transaction, the restaurant manager has to make sure that there will be no overbooking of guests and are accommodated right away at the time reserved for them. So how to take reservation? So before taking a reservation, make sure to use the answer to know the answers to the questions which are likely to be asked by your guests. So here are the following tips and possible questions in taking reservation. Number one, answer inquiries promptly, clearly, and as accurately as possible. Take note of specials and changes in the menu and make sure to inform guests about it. Gather all pertinent information on the reservation from the guest politely and efficiently. Accurately records reservation data on forms based on establishment standards. Repeat the details of reservation with the customers. Confirm customer reservations prior to their arrival. Impart additional information to the guests such as parking conditions and directions to the establishment. And always be calm and polite when speaking to the guests. But remember, avoid double booking. So here are the possible questions of customers when taking table reservations. Number one, what kind of cuisine do you offer? Do you offer French, Italian, Cantonese, modern Australian, American foods, American cuisine, Filipino cuisine, and etc.? What style of menu do you offer? Is it a la carte or table though? Do you accept credit cards? If yes, what type of credit cards do you take? Can we bring in other food drinks brought outside? Is there corkage for the food and drinks bought outside? If yes, how much? What time do you start serving? What time for lunch? What time for dinner? Do you accommodate children? Do you cater to persons with a disability? Can we bring in pets? What accommodations can you provide for pets? Are all rooms air conditioned? Do you have parking facilities? Do you cater for specific functions? Do you have a smoking area? How do we get there? What is the nearest landmark? These questions must be answered accurately and correctly. Most reservations are taken over the telephone. Therefore, the telephone operator should be friendly and accommodating. Customers may easily be discouraged and may never call again if they are not treated well. So here are the guides in taking table reservation. Number one, always answer the phone immediately. If possible, first ring, but not on the third. The reservation book should always be ready at Yan. State the name of the establishment clearly. Greet the caller courteously by saying, for example, good morning, good evening. Depends on the day. Thank you for calling. May I help you? May I have your name, please? Answer questions clearly and politely. If you do not know the answer, find someone to help you and ask if they are willing to wait for a few minutes. You may also ask for the contact details so you can call them back or request them to call you back. Politely decline if the time requested for reservation is already filled. Suggest possible times and other options to accommodate the reservation. Confirm all the details by repeating the name, date and time of arrival, the number of people in the party, and the contact number. Make sure all the details have been clearly written in the reservation books. Be courteous and hospitable in closing a conversation. You may say, "Thank you, Mr. Arcos. We look forward to seeing you at the party." So here are the advantages and disadvantages of taking reservations. Accepting restaurant reservation has both its advantages and disadvantages, both for the guest and the restaurant. The main advantage for the establishment is the knowledge of dining details, such as a definite number of guests who will eat at the restaurant at a specific time, which will guide them in the preparations. For guests, they get to have faster service. On the other end, sales may be affected, especially since reservation may limit the number of yes. So here are some advantages and disadvantages of accepting table reservation. There are three advantages of accepting table reservation. Number one, you can accept special occasions, you can have higher checks, and you can plan ahead. But in accepting table reservation, it can cause fairness. It can changes in party numbers and absent customers. So what are the alternatives to reservation? The waiting list, which is most common today. Call ahead list and pagers. If you have any questions, please message me and or call me or message me on Facebook or any platforms. You can call me anytime. So that's all. Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you for calling John Bear's Restaurant. Alden speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, good morning. I would like to make a dinner reservation.
Table reservation? Sure, ma'am. Let me know your name, please.
I am Rizal Fernandez.
Okay, Miss Fernandez. When would you like to make your reservation?
On Sunday, October 4, 2020.
On what time, ma'am?
At exactly 7 o'clock in the evening.
7 o'clock in the evening. Okay. A table for how many guests?
A table for 2.
Okay, ma'am. Just hold on and I'll just check if there's an available table on that time. I'm sorry to keep you waiting, ma'am. I'm just glad to tell that there's still an available table on that.
Oh, that's great.
Can I ask, ma'am, if where would you like to sit? Do you prefer smoking area or non-smoking area?
I prefer non-smoking area, please.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have any special request?
No thanks.
Okay, Miss Fernandez. Can I have your contact details, please?
Okay, here's my contact number. 0946 1526523.
Okay, ma'am, I'm just going to repeat the details. You have a table reservation for 2 on October 4 at exactly 7 o'clock in the evening, and you will be seated at non-smoking area. This is under the name of Miss Lizelle Fernandez, and the contact number is 0946-152-6522. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, you are.
Okay, ma'am. Your table reservation is noted. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Nothing more, that would be all. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. We look forward to your visit here. Thank you for choosing Denver's restaurant. And if there's any problem or clarifications, don't hesitate to call us. Thank you.